How to get started? Simple. You sign up. You just need a Metamask wallet. You connect to myaladino.io. You need a referral link. Nobody can sign up direct from the company. When you go to my.aladino.io with your wallet, if you don't have a referral link, you can't sign up, okay? We don't accept signups outside the distribution network, okay? So you purchase an NFT, hash rate, you log in. Once it's going to be the 2nd of October, let's say, sales will start. This is a sign-up momentum, a sign-up period. Once the sales will start, whoever sign up is going to be displayed the NFT. So you have nobody now. You log in, you are nobody. You sign up, and you want to buy an NFT. Once you click buy, a pop-up is going to come out with the terms and conditions, which will describe in detail what Aladino will do with that money, what we are going to do with the hash power that we buy for you, okay? And all the legal things in there. After you become a distributor, you accept the terms and conditions for a customer. Once you accept the terms and conditions for distributor, there is a button there, generate my link. A pop-up will come out. You accept the terms and conditions for distributor, and then the link will be displayed, okay? Not before. So get mining reward in BTC as a customer, and you build your business as a distributor by promoting Aladino if you want, okay? This is where you guys will sign up starting from tomorrow. From after the presentation. Sorry, let me move this one here. Okay, so at myaladino.io, how you do it? You have MetaMask installed in your Chrome, whatever browser you use. You just log in. Before you log in, I want you to take a look at this warning. Very important. It is happening, and it's going to happen even more. People out there, the bad actor of the crypto or MLM industry, will know that Aladino is a new company, a lot of firepower. We have marketing thanks to our Christian Aaron and all the others of you guys that has been with us in the last 2-3 presentations. So a lot of people out there are talking about Aladino, and the bad actor kicks in, of course. So we know tonight we are going to have attacks, DDoS attack. We are ready. What we cannot be ready about if they take you on the outside of the platform. How? Well, they will try to mimic or create domains which looks like aladino.io, something like this. They're going to try to do Aladino with 2 I, you know, or alasino.io. You don't see it. You receive a referral link. You think it's Aladino. You click on it, and then you will see that you are actually not into Aladino. There is no risk right now because there is no sales, no nothing, but I suggest you 2 things. Create a new wallet with no funds inside it for Aladino position only, and that's the wallet that will be recognized for your position. And always, always double check the link. Double check that the links brings you into aladino.io. Check the spelling. They can also replicate this very watch out for phishing message. They can replicate this page. I've seen it already. So at the end, it's up to you to check it out that you have the right URL. Because if it is a wrong one, you receive it from someone, it's outside our platform and we won't see it. We cannot do nothing. So double check. Double check. Here, there is some suggestion what you should do, okay? So, sign up. Here, you receive the link. Of course, invitation is not valid because I'm faking that I received it. Give me a sec. Okay. So you are going to log in, right? Find my wallet. What you will find? An error. I know what. Okay, preparing the engine, and we go in. So before this is the login. Once you sign up, you will be required to read some disclaimer there. You don't need to check none of them. You just click sign up. If you check one of those check marks there, the system won't allow you, and you will receive a red message that say, you are a US citizen, you cannot sign up. Your funds are from US, you cannot sign up. You are a political person, you cannot sign up. You are, I don't know, money laundry things, you cannot sign up, okay? So you need to check none of them. Just click sign up, that's all. The wallet will be connected. At the point, the referral link that you have received will position you under the person that invited you. What you will find till 2 of October, when sales will start, you won't find any NFT because you cannot purchase nothing. You can only position yourself, okay?